Hey, my friends, are you a lover of fufu just like I do? But you don't want those inches to increase around your waistline. I got you. Now, keep watching if you're interested to know how I made this cauliflower fufu. Yes, you heard me right. Cauliflower. Okay, let's go. You see this beautiful twin fufu you see here is all cauliflower, 100%. Now let's go. So I went to the grocery store and I got an organic cauliflower. Now you can pick, you don't have to use an organic one, okay? I just made this choice. So all I did was to bring it out from the package. We like to package things really pretty here in Canada, okay? So I just opened it and I cut them into pieces. Yes, it's all cauliflower. Just keep watching. So I got my knife and I cut it into pieces, into little chunks like this, comfortable chunks. I wash them naturally. Yeah, when you bring out your food from a pack like that, please do wash them, okay? Wash them. Is a good practice. Okay, so after washing, I now put it inside my pot for just for a few minutes of steaming, just to get those cauliflower buds, to make them soften a little bit. So about 10-15 minutes will just be enough. So after doing that, I covered my pot and then waited for about 10 minutes for this beautiful cauliflower that I've cut into, sizable chunks, to steam and to soften. That's just the main purpose. And here, yes, I've achieved what I wanted. So all I did was to just place them into my processor, like you see me doing. Please use a comfortable kitchen stool, okay? Don't burn your fingers. Okay, safety first. Everywhere safety. In the kitchen, apply that safety, okay? Just analyze your cooking and get the right tools, okay? Okay, so that's just by the way. So I put all of them. I didn't add water. Very important, don't add water. The cauliflower has soaked some water that is just enough. So I covered it and I processed. And see how, crunchy it is and loose. Now we need to do something, because obviously there's no way we can mold this into fufu. You guys know how this thing works, okay? So I now added 3 tablespoons of Ceylon hawks. Oh, you were not ready for that. 3 tablespoonfuls of Ceylon hawks. So what will this Ceylon hawks do? It's going to bind this cauliflower together so that we can mold it into our fufu. Fufu lovers will relate. Fufu lovers, fufu legendary lovers, we know what I'm talking about. And ta-da, there you go. You have your cauliflower fufu. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. If I did not tell you that this was made from cauliflower, you would think this is pounded yam. Guys, we are in 2023. Wisdom is equivalent to common sense. Trust me. All you need to do is be intentional. I love fufu. I love fufu. I don't know what. Yes, I love fufu also. I love fufu. But my fufu is intentional. That's it. Voila. That's it. I made 1 pack. So even if you go ahead and eat 2 wraps, there is no guilting. By tomorrow morning, by the following day, I'm telling you, you're going to have a very smooth and easy bowel movement. So guys, let's fix our nutrition mentality. Let's fix it. It's not all about carbohydrate all the time. It's not all about starch all the time. We can have our vegetable fufu. We can have protein fufu. I've made different versions of fufu here. Scrolling my channel, scroll and go through those videos. You will see them, okay? So go ahead and use your favorite soup and do justice to this pretty looking, very healthy, organic cauliflower fufu. This is vegetable fufu, and you're not going to add those inches around your waist. You're not going to have bloated big tummy because you took lots and lots of starchy carbohydrate into your system. Let's be intentional. Let's be wise. Let's put on our wisdom cap and be intentional in our cooking, okay, and in our eating also. So if you have watched up until this time, that means you enjoy this recipe. Click that red button that shows subscribe if you haven't done so. Leave me a comment, share this video. Somebody might be somewhere hoping to have such this kind of wisdom, okay. And until I see you in another video, bye bye.